name is Marcela Barragan. The company I chose was Nestlé, which is in the third position of those that pollute the planet with not renewable waste. Though the last leader expressed my incompatibility with the little considerations they have for the planet producing single-use plastic to distribute their product, having exhausted the planet for so much trust they have generated such much of strange aberrations et ut the tested creative plagues island or in great areas damaging ecosystems. Incredibly wet with buoy or promote these bracts were are damaged as if text wasn't staged. They would begin a process of decomposition with they relax toxins that gradually add out with our harm. With Max also had some sympathy with animals that would traumatized or killed where did works. Go to treat plus of extinctions, which is with it popular a favorite solution for the company, which is to generate renewable plastics and which is to promote recycling for reintegrations. Thank you.